big, those are not your true friends, okay? Those are not your true friends, okay? If they're thinking smaller than you, if you offer help and they don't want to go up with you, it is okay to leave people behind. It doesn't mean that you wasn't friendly, it doesn't mean that you wasn't true, but everybody can't go with you. Everybody say, you can't go with me. Well, hopefully that's your friend. You say, yes, you can. Like, don't mess up with friendships, right? Okay? But there are some people that won't be able to go to you. And the last question, I want you to say, now what? Now what? Come here. Now what? Okay, you kind of got to watch my face and my hands. Now what? Now what? You got to lean too. One more time. I'm a dance instructor too, so I'm going to include movements. Ready? Now what? Now what? Okay, now what? So now what is, what are you going to do? So what am I going to do? Say it. What am I going to do? You have to have an action plan. And I'm learning on TikTok, because yes, I'm on TikTok because I'm cool like that and I'm young like that. Okay? That I really am cool like that. For real, for real. But no, I'm learning that depression, grief, anxiety, negative moods, negative thoughts, they cannot hit a moving target. It cannot hit a moving target. So if you are saying that you want to do this, move. Every step counts. It is okay. If you decide, you know what? I'm going to brush my teeth 3 times a day. No, you know what? I'm going to brush my teeth 2 times a day. And you usually only brush it 1 time. You know what? I'm going to get up early and I'm going to try to brush my teeth. But you forgot. Oh man, I ain't going to do it. No, keep moving forward. Every step counts. And sometimes you may get knocked back. But guess what? It's a step. And you're not starting from ground zero. You have a reference point, okay? So don't ever let anyone, and I mean anyone, not your mama, not your daddy, not your grandma, not your principal, not your teacher, not your counselor, not me, not your friends to tell you that you can't have everything you want. Yes. Say, I can have everything I want. You don't even sound like you believe it. Say it like you believe it. I can have everything I want. I can have everything I want. Okay, maybe I'm being too feminine. Okay, for the guys, I can have everything I want. Oh, y'all could have just told me that I was doing too much neck and hip. Okay, for the guys, only the guys. I can have everything I want. Okay, and for the ladies, I can have everything I want. All right, so I have some volunteers to come up. If you have the yellow sheet, I would like for you to stand. If you have the green sheet, I would like for you to stand up. Green sheet, stand up. Green sheet. Verde, verde. That's Spanish. I took Spanish here too. If you have the green sheet, all right, we're going to, I have 2 friends that have the green sheets. They're going to stand up, and you guys are going to say it loud and proud. You got to convince yourself. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, stomp twice. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, stomp twice. If you can hear me, clap once. So everyone can hear me. That is awesome. So if you have a green sheet, you're standing up. And I just want to remind you, the only voice that is in your head is you. So you can tell you that it's not true. You can tell you, I can do this. Your words create. So what I've given you today, I want you to create your world. And I want you to say it like you believe it. And one of my leaders, the late Apostle Bennett, told me, sometimes you have to believe. If you don't believe in yourself, sometimes you have to believe the person that believes in you. And guess what? Westside High School believes in you. Okay? So if you don't believe, and I'm not saying that for you guys to clap, I'm genuinely saying that because it is so true. Westside High School genuinely and truly believes in you. So if you are at a place where, you know what, I can't believe in myself. Believe in them, believing in you. And then ultimately, guess what? You're going to believe in you. And then you can share it with someone else, all right? So when you affirm something, I want you to say it loud and proud as you're saying it to yourself until it becomes true to you. All right? So we're going to say it. The green sheet says, who said that? 1, 2, let's read together.
Who said that I was incapable? Who said that I couldn't rise? Who said that my past determines my future? Who said that I was not loved, enough, and worthy? I silence every voice that contradicts my purpose, and yes, even mine. If it doesn't align with who I'm called to be, I realize it. I release it. If it does not speak life, I replace it. I choose truth, I choose growth, I choose purpose.
All right, give yourselves a hand. All right, if you have a yellow sheet, please stand. And I have some friends that are talking. Did you want the mic? Oh, okay, I was making sure because I'm equal opportunity. I want to give everybody an opportunity to shine because you all are great. All right, so yellow. You have a yellow sheet, my yellow friends, please step forward. Remember, say it like you believe it. Say it like you sing them songs. Say it like how you do them TikToks and them Snapchats. Is Snapchat still cool? I don't know. But I want you to say it like you believe it, all right? So, the yellow sheet says, why not me? 1, 2, say it loud. Loud and proud. 1, 2, ready, go.
Why not me? Why not my dreams? Why not my moment? I stop comparing. I compete with who I was yesterday. I am proud of who I am becoming. Success, growth, and confidence flow to me freely. I use my mind, my body, and my soul to build the life I desire. I change my thinking to change my outcome. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am evolving. I am loved. I am more than enough. I am chosen.
All right, give yourselves a hand. And my last clue, which is the orange sheet of paper. Now what? That's our action plan. What are we gonna do from there? And I got this handsome man coming to help me. Oh, she's gonna help. See, guess what? You gotta keep friends. If somebody's laughing at you all the time when you do something different, they're not your friend. Learn that now, you guys. I promise you, it's gonna save you a lot. So if you have an orange sheet, please stand up. I know I passed out some orange sheets. Okay, there we go. You got a lot of sheets. How many sheets did you have? You stood up like 3 or 4 times. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. I mean, if you love it, I like it. Okay. All right. So now what? Read it loud and proud because green was playing with me, yellow was playing with me, so orange, I believe you guys can do it. All right?
Sure, read it fast.
Huh? Oh, let's give him a hand over there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, don't play with me. Ready? Okay. Now what?
We go forward, we go higher, we go with intention. I trust myself and the guiding voice within me. I surround myself with people who push me to be better. My circle matches my future. I make decisions knowing I am capable and wise. Life has its challenges, but I overcome them. I rise above fear, I rise above doubt. I deserve everything that is good. I commit to my growth. I walk boldly into what's meant for me. I am ready, I am unstoppable, I am strong.
Woo! Give yourself a hand. You guys sound so amazing. Let's give our volunteers a hand. Mr. Roberts, I may need to borrow $5 more because I ain't counting on these people, but I'll make it to you later. But I want everybody to stand up. I want everyone to stand up. I want you to put a big smile on your face. I want you to look at the person beside you and say, yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Remember, you guys, you're supposed to say it like you believe it. 1, 2, ready to go?
Yes, you can.
All right, so again, I am Elizabeth Strong, and I want to let you guys know that you can, you will, and you can do it. Because y'all want me to sing? I'm not going to sing. But I do want to let you guys know that you guys matter and you guys are important to Anderson County, South Carolina, the United States, but ultimately the world. So do not put any limitations. Starting today, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve and you can do whatever you want to do, but you have to believe in you and trust you. Thank you guys so much.
Hey, go ahead and have a seat. Let me have your attention, please. I'm still waiting on a few folks. As we bring this Black History program to a close today, I want to thank each of you for being here and helping us celebrate this year's theme, Westside, our alumni history. At Westside High School, our history is not just something we look back on. It's something we live every day through our achievements, resilience, and excellence of our students. There are a lot of thanks that I need to start with. The first person I want to thank is Ms. Walletta Burris. Let's give her a big round of applause. I certainly thank Ms. Burris for setting these programs up for us every year. I think someone said earlier, I was a student here at Westside, and Mr. Adair, the principal before me, started these programs a long time ago. We still think it's important to have them here at Westside. Next thing is Ms. Elizabeth Strong. Let's give her a big round. And students, hopefully, she said one thing today that'll stand with you. She said a lot of things, but those things that really stuck with me, really, who said that? I say that a lot, because even when I'm dealing with young people come to the office, they try to put false thoughts in your head. I ask you, who told you that? Don't let people decide what you're going to do with your future. So I appreciate you really doing that for our student body. To all our this distinguished group over here, big round of applause.